Meaning of foolscap.
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 Foolscap. Foolscap refers to a type of paper that was commonly used in Europe in the 17th and 18th centuries. The paper was typically larger than common writing paper and had a watermark of a foolscap or bells. The term foolscap has since become a general term for paper that is larger than the standard size. In modern times, however, the use of the term has declined, and most people are not familiar with it. Despite this, it remains an interesting part of the history of paper and printing.